Need people's ni ever select chestaru, ela select chestaru.
I was very active on Twitter. So Twitter, most of the people don't use it. You know, those migrants, and they don't know about Twitter. There are various platforms: Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. I had a toll-free number also. I gave a toll-free number that call anytime, any help, I'll be there. So Twitter was a very active platform where I was very active. So everyone knew any problem, they will put it on Twitter. For example, I am a migrant living in Telangana. I don't have a Twitter account, so I don't know how to operate Twitter. I don't know how a smartphone works. So I will go to you. I said, sir, please, Sonu Sood is helping somewhere. This is my phone number. Just put it on a Twitter and send it to you. So out of goodwill, you will write, Sonu, this is so-and-so person, Nageshwar Rao, sitting in, some kind of a problem. Just help if you see it. So if that thing comes in my account, I will call that number and I'll try to help. And so this is how the whole thing went big.
Me help ki Twitter ba upayogpadindantara?
Twitter really helped me a lot, and it taught me that social media is not just about putting what t-shirt you are wearing, what new shoes you are wearing. It's about reaching the hearts of people. If you want to go out and help someone, God will find a way to help. And if you don't want to help anyone, even if a person comes at your door, you can say, no, he's not there. So it's like that. Today also, so many people will have fake accounts.
At the rate of Sonu Sood.
So it's a lot of things, and my managers and all these people, they'll have their accounts also. They call them. I remember this one person called someone and he posed as my manager, and he asked for 750 rupees from that poor guy. So somehow they messaged me, sir, someone is messaging. I called that guy.
Okay.
I said, what is your name? He said, my name is Ganesh. I said, are you asking money? No, sir, I'm not. I said, I'm Sonu Sood calling. And he became totally silent that, Sonu Sood himself is calling. I said, don't do this, because even if you take 700 rupees, 1000 from a poor guy, for him, that 1000 rupees is very big. He needs help. To get that help, he's giving you 1000, and you take that 1000. Imagine what he'll be feeling. If you don't have money, I will send you money. What you want to continue cheating people, or you want to do something good in life? He said, I want to do something good in life. I said, come to Bombay. I'll give you a good job where you can earn respect, earn money. So he was very sorry. No, sorry, sir, I won't do it again. So he was feeling sorry. So my point is, everyone is trying to earn money through shortcuts, which is wrong.
Okay. And poor people, etla meer select chestaru, Sonuji? Main thing.
I never give money to them. I will always give money to the hospitals or to the institutes or to the schools or to the colleges. So if someone asks me, okay, I'm very poor, I don't have this thing to treat, I said, send me the reports. I'll get the reports. I'll send it to the hospital. Hospital will check, okay, this guy needs kidney transplant, liver transplant, leg surgery, hip transplant, eye surgery. So they said, this is surgery. I said, okay, can you go to this hospital at this so-and-so time? Yes, sir, I can go. He'll go to the hospital. A treatment will be done. Then I'll deposit the money directly to the hospital account. I won't give them 1 rupee also. Because otherwise everyone will say, oh yeah, I'm very needy and all. Someone, sir, I'm very poor, I don't have college fees to pay, send me your college account. So I'll directly talk to the principal, to the owners, ask the account, this is the fees for this guy. So this is how we do it. I'm making a platform called Ilaj India. So Ilaj India is like treatment of India, you have to do it. So I have spoken to almost 40,000 doctors. So I've asked them to do one surgery free of cost every month for me. Okay.
Yeah, recently so many surgeries are doing that now.
Doing it, But now we are paying a lot, but that's my ultimate goal. So I'm making that, it's in the testing stages. So if one surgery someone does for free of cost, and you have 40,000 doctors, in one chart we have doctors, in one we'll have all the patients. So someone sitting in UP, Bihar, Telangana, Andhra will put, okay, I need a knee replacement, I need a hip replacement, some kind of way, with the reports we'll put it. So we'll map it, okay, this is Dr. Sonu Sood somewhere in Bombay. So we will map them, and they said, okay, you can come on this date and get the surgery done. So if 40,000 doctors are there, even half the doctors do their surgeries 1 month. So 20,000 surgeries happening in 1 month. That means almost 700 surgeries will happen every day. Yeah, it will be an automated. Other day I was shooting in Ramoji Rao, a small kid, Harshvardhan, came. He had a liver transplant. Mother wants to give liver to her. I'm shooting here for 3 days. Yesterday one cancer patient came, one heart patient came, one kidney patient came. So I'm just coordinating with, I'm speaking to all the doctors, hospitals, and every single day some new problem comes. So I'm just trying to sort that out. You know, there are so many junior artists,
Yes.
lightmen, spot boys, generator guys. So they know that, you know, Sonu is there who will help others. So they'll call their people who are needy, friends or some relatives. Okay, Sonu Sood is shooting with us, come. So they come with their reports. And they come with the hope that their problem will be sorted. It's a huge challenge. It's a very big challenge. But so far, I think God has been kind on me. That God guides me to do it right. And we have saved so many lives. Yes, you know, on my set also, in this movie set, our manager, production controllers, we did couple of surgeries for them, heart surgeries in Bombay. We've done almost 3 to 4 surgeries there. Today, one guy I was shooting in, for the same movie, last schedule, I was shooting one guy, he was working in multinational company, he had a very major heart problem. So today the surgery is going on as we are talking now. So I mean, whoever comes, you know, I don't see that, you know, which religion, which branch or which department he is. I try to help them. The demand is very high and the supply is very less. All hospitals can't take, with poor people, they are sitting outside the hospital, they are not getting admissions. They don't have money to do the tests, they don't have anything, they don't know where the surgeries can be done. So many uneducated people, tribal areas, Naxalite areas, all these people, they don't know anything about it. How to go, they don't have money to travel to the city also. We pay them the money, we make them travel, we make them travel by flight also. We do the best hospitals from Ambani's to Wadia's to Tata Hospital to best of hospitals we do surgeries and all. So people who are getting surgeries done very good, who are not getting, we are trying to help them.